Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel Banking Professionals Make It Possible. This is Puja and I hope you all are doing well with your study and taking good care of your health. So today I'm going to share some opportunity for all the banking aspirants. Actually, many of you were asking that which mock test will be beneficial in cost for us, and we can't afford that costlier mock test. So I'm going to share something exciting and some opportunity for you if you are waiting for this, and if you are preparing for 2022 banking examination, then this will be helpful for you. So let's see. Here you are seeing on the screen the biggest offer in the history from Guidely. So they are providing mock test series for all the examinations at rupees 88 only. Validity will be for 8 months. So if you are waiting for such opportunity, if you are waiting for such mock test, then this will be beneficial for you. If you are going to buy this, the link is in description. Click there and buy and attempt it on regular basis if you are preparing for 2022 examination. So see you soon and all the very best. Take care. Bye.